Welcome back, my friends. I am coming back with more work from home job leads for you. I have two different healthcare job leads for you today. Both of them are from the same company, but one is a phone-based job and one is a non-phone-based job. So I have it covered for everyone if you're looking to get into the healthcare field. And as we go through these, I do have a little bit of insight to give because I have worked for this company personally before. So the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below, but we will not waste any time. The big company Labcorp, they are hiring for two different positions. Now, they will have McLeansville, North Carolina, because that is where they are currently headquartered out of on their thing, but right under that it says remote United States. They look like they are hiring remote within the United States, and they don't state that they have any state restrictions. Now, when I worked for Labcorp, I worked for them in the office. But since COVID, they have went permanent work from home. I left Labcorp many years ago, but I still have very good friends that currently work for them. They do provide computer equipment for you, and they are fully 100% remote work from home. So first up, they're hiring a healthcare billing specialist. So this is the non-phone position. They are basically looking for someone to research, translate, and analyze routine front-end billing issues. You'll update demographic data to ensure prompt payment from customers. You'll resolve any system issues from daily reports to determine appropriate resolution action. So this is a fast-paced environment after extensive training. You will be on like a productivity type thing where you'll have to meet daily or weekly goals. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They do require a high school diploma or equivalent. It says an associate's degree in some kind of medical coding or billing is a plus, but it is not required. And it says for remote work, you must have high level internet speed. Again, they should supply all the computer equipment for you. If you have 1 year of billing experience, that's a plus, but again, not required. What is required is you have strong attention to detail, the ability to perform in a team environment, great communication skills, great organizational skills, and basic knowledge of Microsoft Office. Now, I don't know if they still do it because it says Microsoft Office and not specifically Excel, but when I worked for Labcorp, I had to take an Excel exam, which was very, very easy to pass to get an interview. And what that exam consisted of is it would have basic questions like if I wanted to perform the sum function in Excel, where would I go? And you just had to point to the key that would do the sum function. You didn't actually have to perform any calculations using that function in Excel. They just wanted you to point out where you would go, so they kind of knew that you knew how to work it. I'm not sure if they still require that. I worked for them probably 14, 15 years ago. Now, they do offer a complete benefit package, including medical, dental, vision, paid time off, a 401k. One thing to note about Labcorp is all of your lab work that is done in a Labcorp-based facility is completely free if you are an employee. So if you go to your doctor's office and they draw blood and they send it off to Labcorp to be read, those testing results should be free to you. Also, if you are not a billing type of person and you are more of a customer service person, they have a customer service position open for patient billing. Now, this one is work from home, but the hours are a little bit different. It is 11 to 8 p.m. Eastern time. So it is that mid shift. It is right before lunch at 11 a.m. and goes to 8 p.m. Eastern time. It is a high call volume position. It says you'll approximately take 80 to 100 calls a day. They have a base salary of $15 to $15.75 an hour, and then you get a 10% raise for shift differential for the second shift, which is Monday through Friday, the 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. that they are hiring for. So you'll get a 10% increase from that base pay. They also offer bonuses that are paid out quarterly or every 3 months. Now, this position does require a high school diploma or equivalent, and 1 to 3 years of some kind of applicable experience. So that's probably some kind of customer service or call center environment experience. Again, they want you to have knowledge of Microsoft Office, someone who has strong verbal and written communication skills, and great multitasking skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.